Look no further than the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, iPod, MP3 input, satellite radio, daytime running lights, side airbag, passenger airbag on-off switch, AC, ABS, power steering. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.